Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the world of messaging apps with ease. Today, we're going to explore how to allow unknown callers on WhatsApp. This feature is particularly useful if you're expecting calls from numbers you haven't saved yet, such as from businesses or services. First, let's talk about why you might want to allow unknown callers. In many cases, silencing unknown callers is a great way to avoid spam or unwanted calls. However, there are situations where you might need to receive calls from numbers that aren't in your contacts list. This could be for work, personal reasons, or even when you're waiting for a call from a service provider. Now let's dive into the steps to allow unknown callers on WhatsApp. 1. Open WhatsApp. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your device. It's probably already on your home screen, but if not, you can find it in your app drawer. 2. Access. Settings. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu where you can access various settings and features. 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account and privacy preferences. 4. Select Privacy. Within the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This section allows you to control who can see your information and who can contact you. Manage Calls. Scroll down to the Calls option and tap on it. This is where you can adjust settings related to incoming calls. 6. Allow unknown callers. Finally, look for the option labeled Silence Unknown Callers. If this feature is enabled, it means that calls from unknown numbers will be silenced and you won't receive notifications. To allow unknown callers, simply toggle this option off. Once it's disabled, you'll start receiving notifications for calls from all numbers, including those not saved in your contacts. By following these steps, you can ensure that you receive calls from anyone, even if they're not in your contacts list. Remember, if you start communicating with an unknown caller, they will no longer be considered unknown, and their calls won't be silenced in the future. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you manage your WhatsApp calls more effectively. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.